do we do a 911 mission, or do we do like a, do I do like a mini game thing? Oh, it's amazing. Wait, what's the new mission that came? So I'm just like, eh. Oh my god, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm dying. It's fine. Oh. That's it. Do they have a new launcher that I can't just launch it from Origin? I don't know why I paused the music to sneeze. I don't know why I did it. Anyways. I want to make a song with a beat drop. That's my sneezing. Let's make a song. How do you make a song? What app do I download? I have Adobe. I have the Adobe login. You can use that area heal to damage undead creatures. Oh, that's cool. And so, sorry, with New Game Plus, all the enemies respawn again. But we're just the current level we are at now. Oh my god. Not that I'm expecting much, but... Excuse me. That's what she said. What is this? Clip. What is this? Ah. Oh, the painting started going. Great. Oh, excuse me. I kind of want to get... excuse me. Sorry. I want to get all the little stones. I think I'm... Whew. What's a caffeine headache? Sorry. Oh. Stop, but I didn't see anything. Sorry. Oh. I'll probably just put...
I have a feeling that house elf is Tom's.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. I'll go talk. Wait, do you need to buy all brooms to 100%? I paused stuff. I was like, oh my god, the power. I didn't mean to. Who even are you?
Hello? Do you have an... I'm Priya. What do you have a...
Excuse me. Oh my god, sorry. Oh my god, excuse me. Jen, LaFishy, LaFishy? Which I don't have, but still.
Oh, okay, I thought you. I know.
I'm gonna keep. Excuse me.
Hey, that's crazy though. Bless you.
Thank you.
You know, lying is actually just something that I just bless you.
I'm too lazy. Because on solo, I had one where I cut myself out of a tree, and then the other one I had a snow thing.
Oh, that's just for the side. Sorry.
Leave it. Oh no! That's alright. It works. Oh, fuck off! It was almost own goal.
Oh,
Somebody bumped me before.
bless you.
That was definitely not.
Do that? Like if someone's in a 3v3, I can't just spectate it in the game, can I?
Nah.
Nah, I'd have to
Oh my
screen
God.
share someone like Kathy.
Campbell, and I know Jules. Winter, you're in the game. Winter, get out.